Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a text box background transparent in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to make text box transparent. Go to the text box pages and we can see here a background of this text box. Now we want to make this text box transparent. Select the text box, then go to the text frame option and enable this option. Then select the fill color and choose none. Then click outside of the option and click stroke color and choose none. Then close the window and check the text box, and we can see we make the text box transparent very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.